What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to unlock an iPhone 7 Plus or any iPhone pretty much on iOS 11.3.1. We're gonna be using the Rsim, and we're gonna be using a T-Mobile SIM card. Alright, as you can see in the settings, you can see it's Sprint and it's on 11.3.1. Let's get to it. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna put in the SIM card. Put the Rsim into the SIM tray. Okay, make sure it fits perfectly. And then you grab your T-Mobile or whatever SIM card you're gonna be using, and just put it on top of it, just like this. Make sure it's pretty tight, and then we're gonna put it in. If it doesn't go, don't force it, make sure it goes smooth. Alright. For some reason, the gloves won't let me push the home button. Alright. So, let's do it this way. Alright. Now, we push. Okay. Of course, we're going to get into the activation screen. Dismiss. The home button. Put in the password. Okay, continue. We're gonna connect to Wi-Fi. Okay. Of course, it would say SIM not supported, which is fine. Alright, so we get into this menu. What we need to do is we're going to edit the ICCID. Alright, so we're going to put in the new ICCID, which is 8901039529795. And the last four, those are the most important. So we're gonna try 5534, and we're gonna hit send. Okay, accept, and we're gonna turn off the phone and reboot it. Okay. If that ICCID doesn't work, I got a couple to try. Normally, after a while, Apple or whoever would block that ICCID, so we have to wait for a new one. So let's hope for this one that will work. Alright, let's turn on the phone and wait and see. So as you can see, I have a T-Mobile SIM card inside into the iPhone 7 Plus that is like to Sprint. And we'll put the password, and we're gonna go back into it. Will take us back to the activation. Hit continue and wait. And voila, as you can see, there is T-Mobile, which means this ICCID, it's working perfectly good. As of today, Saturday, the 19th of May. It might get blacklisted again. So as of today, as you can see, it is working. Maybe a week, 2 weeks from now, it might get blacklisted. Let's turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay. And you can see there's a T-Mobile, LTE. Let's test out the internet. With Safari right here. Open Safari. Let's type in Facebook. It's not bad, pretty fast. Facebook Home. And there we go. Okay. So now this is a customer's phone. I'm using my T-Mobile SIM card. I can remove it, and when I give him the phone back, he can use his own SIM card. So turn it off. And eject the SIM card. And make sure after I'm removing my SIM card, I'm going to leave this one in there, which is the Rsim that I just programmed to the phone. I'm just going to leave it here for now till I get his own SIM card to try it out. Okay, so we're done with this one, and we have another one, another 7 Plus rose gold. So I was shaking. Okay. For some reason, with the gloves, I cannot push the home button. It's weird. Let's try it. The stylus. Okay. Alright, so this one is on. Open the settings. General. About. And it's on Sprint iOS 11.3.1 again. Alright. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna grab a new Rsim to use with this phone. Okay. Alright. So let's eject the SIM card, the SIM tray. As you can see, it's Sprint. So there's the Rsim. And we're gonna put on top of it T-Mobile SIM card, just like this. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna insert into the phone. Voila. All right. Now, of course, it's gonna take us to the activation. Okay. Dismiss. Continue. I'm gonna connect to Wi-Fi. Join the Wi-Fi. Alright, I'm gonna hit next. Of course, he's gonna say it's not supported, whatever. But we're gonna make it support. So if you get iTunes like this, I've noticed it before, that means that Rsim is not as good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a different one. Okay, so we can use another Rsim. Put it together, just like this. Dismiss. Continue. Okay, not supported. So what we're gonna do, go back, hit the home button, emergency call, and we're gonna do star 5005 star 7672 star 0 and pound, and hit the call. Now to hit call. Alright, so now we're in the menu. Edit ICCID. Okay, we're gonna type in the code. Okay, which is 8901410327952. And 5534 and hit send. Okay, accept. We're gonna turn off the phone. Alright, now we're gonna reboot it in a second. So please, if you get this one working, do not update your phone. I repeat, do not update your phone. Even if there's a new code that is compatible with the new iOS, I don't really recommend updating. I have an iPhone 7. I'm still on 11.2. It doesn't matter. Apple always release those bullshit iOS for people to update so they can lose the jailbreak or lose it unlocks. I don't bother with the updating at all. Okay, so let's turn it back on. And also remember, if you get the iTunes logo after you put in the Rsim, that means the Rsim is not good. You gotta try a different one. So let's hit continue and wait. And bingo, there is T-Mobile. And you just follow up with the activation process. Alright, settings, general, about, and voila, 11.3.1 using T-Mobile SIM card. Let's make a quick call test. It might be loud. 611, call, speaker.
T-Mobile.
Alright, as you can see, everything is good. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Please subscribe, help me out. And till the next video, have a good one.